My girlfriend's really into roleplay. At first it was fun. Nurse, teacher, pirate queen. But now she's stuck on this sexy plumber character. She makes me knock on the door and say, "Heard there's a leak that needs fixin'." Every single time. Last night I refused. I just walked in like a normal person. She said I ruined the fantasy. I said I'm tired of fake wrenches and pipe jokes. Now she's calling me emotionally clogged. Am I wrong?